Okay, what if every AI paid a dividend directly to us? That's the huge idea we're digging into today.
You've probably heard this idea, AI as a lever that could move the entire world economy. So how's that work? All right, here's what's on deck. AI's power, a massive problem, a wild solution, and a serious reality check.
So there's this framework that breaks AI's potential into three buckets. Let's jump into the first two.
First up, AI is learning to do, actually moving from screens into the real world.
And second, AI could heal. Think about the massive shakeup that's coming for the healthcare industry.
Okay, so all this value is great, right? But it also opens up a huge can of worms.
Yeah, basically, today's AI models are trained on all our stuff without asking or paying for it.
And this is the perfect example. If an AI messes up, who's on the hook? Seriously. So what's the fix? Well, the first idea on the table is to treat it like a copyright thing.
There's this company, Pro Rata. Their goal is to pay publishers for content, kind of like Spotify for music.
But that's really just royalties for writers. It doesn't solve the bigger problem for, everyone else.
Okay, let's get to a much more ambitious idea. This one's about the data we all create.
You see, AI isn't what everyone calls it. In many languages, it's IA, for a massive global community. We're talking about 1.2 billion people. Their language and culture helped build these AI models. So, this project, IA.xyz, has an idea, a .ai domain. Think of it like a digital passport for every AI. It's a lot like Anguila's .ai domain that funds their government. Here, the fees would create a humanity dividend.
And here's the kicker. By law, 90% of the revenue has to go back to the public good.
And that's the fundamental difference, right? It's built for public benefit, not just for private profit.
But can we just have trillions of AIs running around? Well, there's a pretty big physical roadblock.
Software, bits, can copy itself for free. But the atoms that power it? Yeah, energy costs real money.
Powering this whole AI explosion could mean we need 1.5 times our entire planet's energy output.
So really the goal here is to build the bedrock infrastructure for a fairer, more democratic internet for all of us.
And that leaves us with one last big question. What kind of future are we actually trying to build here?